Welcome to The Cornerstone, the podcast that helps you design smarter and build your legacy. Today, we're speaking directly to interior designers about one of the most critical and often most stressful phases of any project: FF&E sourcing. If you've ever spent nights lost in spreadsheets, juggling a dozen vendor emails, or had a perfect piece of furniture delayed and threaten your entire installation schedule, you know the pain. Your creative vision shouldn't be held hostage by logistical nightmares. In this episode, we'll explore how a dedicated offshore sourcing team can transform this chaotic process into a seamless, efficient, and surprisingly calm experience. Let's be honest. Sourcing isn't just about picking beautiful things. It's a complex web of tasks: creating and managing detailed schedules, vetting suppliers, negotiating costs, tracking lead times, and coordinating logistics. This administrative burden pulls you away from what you do best: designing. For a boutique firm working on a high-end hotel, this meant the principal designer was spending 60% of her time on procurement emails and spreadsheets, instead of client presentations and creative direction. The cost of this lost time is immense, not just in billable hours, but in creative energy and client satisfaction. This is where a dedicated offshore team changes the game. Imagine having a personal procurement arm that works while you sleep. They become experts in your standards, your preferred vendors, and your design aesthetic. For a recent corporate office project, our team managed the entire FF&E schedule. We sourced comparable alternatives when the specified chairs had a 20-week lead time, negotiated bulk pricing directly with manufacturers that the design firm couldn't access, and maintained a real-time budget tracker. The designer was freed up to focus on the client and the final styling, walking into a perfectly coordinated installation, without a single sourcing headache. Do you want to grow your business and take it to the next level? ADDMORE Services provides professional and technical services specific to your projects. Save up to 70% on staff costs when you partner with us. For more information, just email us at outsource@addmoreservices.com. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. The biggest fear for any designer is that the final installation won't match the vision. A dedicated sourcing team acts as the guardian of your design intent. They don't just find a cheaper table, they find a table that matches the specified wood finish, dimensional tolerance, and design ethos. On a luxury hotel project, the client fell in love with a custom rug from a European atelier. Our team managed all the complex international logistics, customs documentation, and quality control inspections at the source, ensuring that the exquisite rug arrived perfectly, on time, and within the budget allocated for it. This meticulous attention to detail ensures the finished space is exactly as you envisioned. So, let's recap. You don't have to choose between your creative sanity and a perfectly executed project. Leveraging a dedicated offshore team can reclaim your time, reduce administrative stress, and safeguard your design vision. Remember, the logistical burden of FF&E sourcing steals valuable design time. A dedicated team acts as a seamless, global extension of your practice. And this partnership is the key to protecting both your design intent and your project's bottom line. Ready to delegate the stress and reclaim your creativity? Visit addmoreservices.com to discover how our specialized FF&E sourcing teams can be tailored to support your firm. And don't miss our next episode, where we'll examine how contractors can accelerate estimating, improve bid accuracy, and free up in-house teams by outsourcing quantity takeoffs and cost estimating. Thanks for listening to The Cornerstone. Now go create something beautiful.